getting ready to go do some night fishing, and I wanted to just show you guys this is one of the first ever fishing knots and rigs that I ever learned how to set up. It's very simple, and you also catch fish on it all day. So this is gonna be for catfishing, and it's super easy. All you need is a little treble hook, some little split shot weights, and your fishing pole. And then you're gonna tie it on, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Alright, bonus video because you're also going to learn how to tie one of the super easiest fishing knots ever. Super easy. Run your line through the eye of the hook, and then you're going to wrap it around 7 times. Just wrap that guy around 7 times. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You take your loose end, see the little loop right there by the eye of the hook, you're going to put it right through there. You're going to hold on to the tag end. Pull your knot straight, and once it's straight, let go of the tag end, grab the hook, and just pull him down. You see how that slid right up against there like that? Get rid of the loose end. You use that knot on just about any rig you want. It'll hold pretty damn good. And then, you take your split shot, you want to run up the line anywhere from 6 inches to about 2 feet. Put your split shot on there. I don't recommend using your teeth, but I've been doing it since I started fishing, so too late for me. All you gotta do to get these on there too is just put the line in the little gap, and then you pinch it tight. You use pliers if you want to. Put your 2 or 3 of them on there. Make sure they're all on there good, not sliding around too much. And there you have it. Very basic catfishing rig. All I need is a treble hook, a couple of split shot sinkers, good to go. Throw a worm on there, chuck them out there, sit and wait. Good luck to you. See you next time.